Alright, y'all. We going to Texas.
Yeehaw!
But
Not on the boat.
nope, we're taking a plane. That means we gotta pack our bags. Alright, so we still have to pack our bags. I got my camera equipment in this bag and I'll take my clothes in there. But I got my drone, chargers, tripod, all that jazz. But let's get to the stuff that we have to do on our boat that you wouldn't have to do on your home if you're going on vacation. We would like to leave our air conditioners on while we're gone to keep the air dry in the boat. But the AC on the boat works a little different than the house. On the house, they use air to cool the coils. On the boat, it uses water. So it sucks up water from the ocean, cools the coils, and spits it back out. We don't want to leave the air conditioners on because if a plastic bag or something like that gets caught on the inlet, it could overheat the pump, overheat the air conditioner, maybe trip some breakers that we don't want tripped, or maybe do damage to our equipment. We won't be here to stop that from happening. So what we're going to do is we're going to run several fans throughout the boat to keep the air circulating, and that should avoid condensation building up. One of the biggest problems on a boat is mold. So before we take off for 5 days, we're going to bleach a few things like the shower and the bathrooms.
We also have to empty out the trash, and we need to empty out this refrigerator, make sure nothing stays in there that can stink it up those 5 days we're gone. We're gonna do all the laundry before we go so that we have clean clothes to pack.
Gotta check the bilge pumps, make sure they're pumping out the water. We don't want to be gone for 5 days and the boat's taking on water and not pumping it out. So I'm getting down here, making sure everything looks good. And by the way, it does not. Take a look. We've got water down here in places that we shouldn't. And I don't know if you can tell, but that's full of water too. So that is not a good thing. I already reached down there and grabbed the float switch, and it is moving freely, but it's just not working. So now, before we go on vacation, it's time to troubleshoot.
Can we go on vacation?
Before we go on vacation, it's time to troubleshoot. Alright, so if I see water down there, that most likely means that I'm getting water in here. The engine down there in the bilge. And the question is, why? I checked the continuity right there and got 12 volts, but the pump still isn't working. So this one's no good. Gotta get rid of it. Good news is, I always keep a spare on board. Out with the old, in with the new. Alright, well, it's in there. There it is. All beautiful and clean in that dirty place, like a priest in a whorehouse. Alright, on to the next problem. I don't know yet. I just gotta figure this out first.
So I shouldn't be recording this part?
Oh, if you can.
Well, I can't really see what you're doing. It's just...
Yeah, you can't see what I'm doing.
I
You
just
see
see
I'm
you
doing something.
on all fours.
Yeah, with my booty in the air.
With your booty in there.
Because I just don't care.
Shake it like you just don't care.
I pulled on this wire to test it, and it just came apart. So I'm wondering if that could be it.
A corroded wire?
No, the wire...
Look at that butt.
The wire seems to be just disconnected.
What a big old butt you got there.
Yeah, buddy.
You're right. Bent over. Looks good.
Shut the fuck up. There was a loose connection. Just one of these little doodads. So, I'm gonna go replace it. Problem solved. Could have sunk the boat. Because of that little thing right there. Let's go in there and let's fix it. Come on! I fixed the wire. Let's test it out. That's a nasty sound, but that sounds good to me. Alright, well that sucked. But, as you can see, going on vacation when you live on a boat, it is a little bit different. Now, let's go check the lines. So every time I come on the boat or get off the boat, I always eyeball my lines and make sure that they look good. But since we're leaving for a while, I'm just going to double check all of them, make sure I feel good about it before we go.
Oh, give me a break. You're so stupid.
Well, we got a few more things to check, but that's pretty much it, guys. We're going to pack our bags and head to Texas.
Long serving